visit Coastal Post. I am a Thai, disability and hungry. Coastal is a paradise island under siege. Every day, ocean current dump thousands of kilograms of vegetable plastic onto our shore. Waste that our fishing community didn't create but forced to live with it. It killed our coral, our fish, and our future.
We aren't just cleaning up, we're stepping up. We came up with a project called Postlight Marine Ambassador to transform 30 local youth into Marine Youth Ambassador. Through our partnership with ASTI, we aim to equip them with scientific knowledge and digital storytelling skills to lead nature-based solutions and advocate for our island at a national level.
We are transforming a fishing village into a hub for environmental leadership. It's more than just serving an island, but it is a sustainable model for every coastal community in Cambodia. Support us and stop the plastic flow together.